Okay? Ayan, kung meron kayong lower back pain, radiating down, nagra-radiate, may low back pain, tapos nagra-radiate dito sa lower leg. Yung iba naman hanggang dito, radiation. Yung iba hanggang dito. Paano iti-treat? Una, i-laser ang back shoe point. Back shoe point. Kidney area, bladder 23 in TCM Curie. 20 seconds per point. Okay? Bladder 23. Tapos, dito, sa modern laser Q points, 20 seconds. Kapag nagra-radiate hanggang dito, add 20 seconds. Kung ang pain radiating down sa popliteal, add this diamond point. Kapag hanggang baba, add this point. Radiation. 20 seconds each point. Pag meron kayong low back pain, radiating down on the legs. Ayan. Okay. And then, next, use multiple diode. Ayan, multiple. Maraming ilaw. Ayan, multiple diode on area. Zone area of the whole lower area. Ayan. To reduce back pain. And then, laser this downwards. Yung nagra-radiate sa baba, i-laser nyo siya. 5 minutes up to 10 minutes or the whole area. Ayan. Ayan, total treatment nyo dyan ay 20 minutes complete treatment session for one session. 20 minutes isang session. Ayan, ganyan. Okay. Ayan. Pag ganyan, scan nyo siya. Up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down. Tapos dito, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Dito. Down, up, down, up. Okay, pwede niyang i-fix dito sa may popliteal. Fix. I-fix na siya ng 30 seconds to 1 minute. Dito, i-fix. 30 seconds to 1 minute. I-fix dito. At i-fix dito. Ayan. Kaya fix or scan ang technique. Okay? Yan po yung treatment protocol for low back pain radiating downward on the lower leg.